Hello, I'm Brenda Wolf, President of the Montgomery County Public Schools Board of Education. Summer Rise is clearly an innovative program that both hosts and students find valuable. My Board of Education colleagues and I are thrilled in the way it has grown. Summer Rise is about empowering the next generation by giving students the tools, experiences, and knowledge to help them find their passions and interests that will help them pave their career path. Our students are building great relationships with adult mentors who are impactful on helping to guide our students. I understand students are learning about government and policies, marketing and advertising, engineering, advocacy, community service, and teaching, as well as the skills needed to become a healthcare provider and taking a deeper dive into experiencing the arts. Our students and parents have commented to say that Summer Rise is life-changing, fun, and that they are experiencing things they otherwise would not have been able to experience. To know that our students were able to learn a little more about what college they may want to attend or what job they may want to pursue and the steps they need to take to achieve their goal is priceless. We know that Summer Rise has positively impacted students in meaningful ways and that some of our graduates are pursuing careers based on their Summer Rise experience and the guidance from their host mentors. We are grateful to the hosts that have taken time out of their busy schedules to commit to teaching students as much as they can about their career fields, sharing their passion, knowledge, and skills with our students. Because of our wonderful host, our students experience what it is like to be employees in real work environments in safe settings where they're encouraged to take risks, ask questions, and seek feedback. We want to thank the 100 companies and organizations along with their teams for taking the time out of your busy schedule to support our students. On behalf of the Board of Education, I would like to thank our county government officials, business and organization hosts, and Montgomery County Public Schools staff who work year-round in support of this program. We are grateful. We hope that all students found this program to be valuable and that you will remember to seize every opportunity presented to you. The Board of Education and I wish everyone a fantastic summer. Thank you, Summer Rise.
Hello, everybody. I've been asked to answer a few questions about the Summer Rise program, and I'm going to play both the questioner and then I'm going to respond. So the first question is, why is the Summer Rise program important to the county government? The Montgomery County government plays a critical role in funding and supporting the Montgomery County Public Schools. Too often, our interactions are regarding the budget and policy decisions only. MCPS's Summer Rise program allows us in the government to meet, interact, and provide significant education opportunities to their students. The second question I got was, how many Rise students are with Montgomery County government and what are they doing? Well, this summer, the county government is proud to host 26 Rise students across our government, including 3 here in my office. These students are often receiving their first professional experiences, and the time they are spending with us will help shape their future goals and aspirations. In the county executive's office, our Rise participants are helping us out with various administrative tasks, sitting in on our meetings, and even helping us out with our social media and communications. Most importantly, they're meeting incredible and caring county employees who are not just teaching them skills, but becoming mentors who can assist them in their future endeavors. The last question is, why is Rise important? As a former school teacher, I understand firsthand how important experiential learning is for a young adult. I'm very appreciative for the hard work of MCPS to conduct this program, and I'm thankful to all of the Rise participants working with the county government this summer for their contributions to efforts to serve the residents of Montgomery County.
Hello, friends. This is Council Vice President Gabe Albernaz, and it is such an honor and privilege to have the opportunity to say a few words acknowledging the incredible work that went on this summer. I want to first congratulate our Summer Rise students who did an absolutely fantastic job. The reports have been extraordinary, and you've been exposed to so many different, not just work experiences, but experiences in general. I want to thank all of our partners in the private sector, our businesses, our government partners, the various county agencies and offices that hosted students this summer. And I also want to acknowledge and thank our parents and our families who have done such a great job raising these remarkable young leaders in our community. This program is so important. It's important because it doesn't just expose our youth to different professional development opportunities that are out there. And those professional development opportunities are evolving, but it also engenders confidence and exposes our youth to how the world works. I remember when I was a high school student, not really having my bearings straight, not really knowing what I wanted to do in my professional life. And had I thought about it then, I never would have thought that I would have ended up in politics and as a policymaker here in a county that I love so much. But it was because of internships that I did in college that I learned not just what I enjoyed doing and loved doing, but I also learned what I didn't like to do, which I think is important in so many different ways. And so the world is complex and has, as we know, a lot of layers to it. But programs like this are important to be able to break through, to be noticed, to establish contacts. And so I encourage all of the students who participated this summer to continue the relationships that you established with the people that not just supervised you, but that you worked with as well. There's so much optimism in our upcoming economy. We've been through an extraordinary challenge. And while we were not able to meet in the way that we would have liked to, I think this new virtual world presents some unique and exciting opportunities in our future as well. And so in closing, I want to once again thank all of the students for your dedication, your commitment, all of the partners and incredible staff at MCPS that made this program possible, and our partners as well. We look forward to participating in this program. We hosted a student in our office this summer. It was an extraordinarily positive experience for everyone. And I would say our staff probably got even more out of it than our student. But I want to thank everyone again so much. There's so much to look forward to, and our future is extraordinarily bright here in Montgomery County. Thanks to all of you.
Hello, my name is Amy Jawando, and I am the President and CEO here at A Wider Circle. And we have been honored to partner with Summer Rise for several years. We provide professional clothing to those young people who are seeking posts across the county to learn and gain important experience. This summer, we were happy to provide clothing to 35 individuals. A Wider Circle's goal is to end poverty. In order to do that, we have to make it as easy for members in our community to achieve all that they are capable of. One way of doing that is providing professional clothing, completely free of charge, a week's worth at a time if people would like. And each summer at the beginning, students come in and are able to pick and receive important professional attire so they can make the best possible first impression and have a tremendous experience. We are honored to continue to partner with Summer Rise and hope to do so for many years to come. Summer Rise provides a really important opportunity for young people in our community, and A Wider Circle feels it's critically important to be one step in that journey, to help prepare those students so that when they go out to gain the experience, they feel incredible. They feel prepared, and they look like $1 million. And we want to be able to be part of that and part of their success. A Wider Circle realizes that part of our mission in ending poverty includes partnership with many other organizations close to us and across the community. Summer Rise is one of those programs, and we're honored to partner with them because it is together that we can support young people and employment experience and opportunities.
Hi, I'm Montgomery County Councilmember Craig Rice, and I want to congratulate all of our Summer Rise participants for all of the great work they've done over these past few weeks. This is a major accomplishment and really is something that was cooked up in a gym 5 years ago. I was there talking with then the leader of WorkSource Montgomery and said, why is it that we don't have a summer jobs program like the District of Columbia? And we started talking about this and started saying, you know what, we want to do something even more than just providing minimum wage job that really doesn't give any kind of true experience and caters to what students need. Let's come up with something that's more innovative in terms of what we can do to provide a job experience for our young people. And we came up with Summer Rise, real interesting summer experiences that really tie into what a student's interests are and give them the ability to understand whether or not that's a career pathway that they want to pursue. I really want to thank Councilmember Jawando, who at the time led that effort with our Summer Rise program. He was the one who actually instituted the program itself. And then one of our own colleagues in my office, Kristen Tribble, did a great job of also running the Summer Rise program. So it's near and dear to my heart from a personal standpoint, but also in terms of what it can accomplish. You know, we're celebrating our 5th year. And each and every year, you as students continue to impress the heck out of me. I can tell you that when I talk to you afterwards and talk about your experiences, what you've learned, some of you have solidified this is the career pathway you want. Others who have been in different career pathways that they really didn't think they would like, all of a sudden now say, hey, this is for me and this is what I want to do. And some of you said, hey, this gave me a valuable experience in understanding that I thought this was what I want to do, but I don't want to do this anymore. Either way, it's been a great experience and valuable one in terms of giving you insight into the workforce and what it is that you may want to do in your future endeavors. The goal, of course, is always just around supporting positive job experiences. And from my local level work as chair of the Education and Culture Committee and my national level work as chair of the Human Services and Education Committee there, I understand the value that comes from immersive, hands-on work that has more than just classroom experiences, that really is that on-the-job training. And so I'm proud of the students and businesses that have both been impacted. Keep in mind, I hear from the students, but I also hear from the businesses as well, and how they've been changed by having a Summer Rise student there, making sure that they understand how important it is to bridge between businesses and our community and make sure that they're reaching out and letting people know about the great work that's happening inside each and every one of these businesses. It's a win-win all around. Our students explore their career options and learn the necessary pathways and skills for particular careers, and our businesses and organizations get a chance to tap into that future workforce and help them discover their true potential. So, again, congratulations to each and every one of you on your participation this year. I really want to thank the MCPS staff who spent countless hours really setting this up and making this successful. Yet another tremendous Summer Rise performance. And so thank you again and congratulations, each of you, for all of your success. Take care and God bless.
Hi, this is Councilmember Will Jawando, and I've come by to congratulate all of our great Summer Rise students for completing the program. As you may know, I was the first executive director of Summer Rise, and so I understand in a very deep way how important it is that you have and your fellow classmates have access to the really interesting work-based learning experiences that you did this summer. It's important that you figure out what you're interested in and what you might want to do in the future. And equally important, that you figure out what you might not like as much, because that's going to help shape and grow your interests and hopefully guide your decisions, not just in high school, but in college and in the workplace afterwards as well. So just wanted to say we're very, very proud of you. You earned a great stipend that should be on its way here shortly. You met hopefully some great professionals, whether you were at a nonprofit, at a government agency, or in our business community. Montgomery County is one of the best places in the country that has a mix of all of those different types of workplace environments. And so you were exposed to that. You had to deal with working and learning in a COVID environment where you probably had to do mostly remote or telework options, something that in real time, the economy is changing and we're figuring out how people are going to work and what the future of work will look like. You had a firsthand experience about that this summer that will help you as you move on. And hopefully you made some friends and some mentors along the way. I am really excited and thankful to our business community, our nonprofit community, and our government agencies that hosted all of our Summer Rise folks this summer. We had one in our office and we were having a great time, and they're learning a lot about the government processes. And I think one of the best things about this program is that no matter where you were posted, you learned, you got exposed to something you didn't know about before, and you grew. So thank you to your parents, thank you to the businesses, thank you to the students. And I hope that each of you will share how great this program is to our business community, to your fellow students, and to your family members, so that we can grow the over 600 students that participated this year and get thousands more in the coming years as we work to expand the horizons of all our students at MCPS. So thank you to Elaine Chang and to WorkSource Montgomery and to all of our partners who help support this program. We're really appreciative and look forward to growing it and making it even better in years to come. So congratulations and keep rising.
Hi, I'm Laura Ika. I'm Executive Vice President and Chief of Staff at Educational Systems Federal Credit Union. Educational Systems Federal Credit Union has proudly served the education community for over 65 years. We are committed to living our mission, which is to grow by helping the members of the education community achieve their financial goals and dreams. We do this by offering financial services focused on the unique needs of teachers, administrators, support staff, parents, and students. We're also passionate about providing financial education. For us, it's an honor to support education. As the premier credit union serving the education community, our credit union supports the Summer Rise program by providing financial literacy training to all participants and processing the student stipends. We also open savings and checking accounts for students and give them the tools and resources to manage their money. We know that learning these critical skills in high school is essential to the student's financial well-being. At Educational Systems Federal Credit Union, our mantra is support education, and we live it every day. We believe in helping the education community achieve excellence by supporting Summer Rise, as well as other academic initiatives such as reading programs, spelling bees, science fairs, and career and technology education. Through our Support Education Foundation, we provide scholarships to high school and community college students, as well as professional development awards to help educators continue their education. We believe in making a difference and helping the education community learn and grow.
My name is Anthony Featherstone, and I serve as the Executive Director for WorkSource Montgomery. WorkSource Montgomery operates our county's American Job Centers, and we help train and connect Montgomery County job seekers and businesses. At WorkSource, we're proud to support Summer Rise each and every year. We believe that career exploration opportunities provided by the program has lasting effects on our students, employers, and our local economy. As a workforce development organization, we're always trying to innovate on how to develop our county's talent pipeline. And we believe there's no better way than providing early career experiences through programs like Summer Rise to achieve this goal. And in 2021, our organization was happy to partner with Summer Rise again. We helped facilitate stipends, and we were also fortunate to work with 4 outstanding students. And throughout our month-long journey, I, along with our team members, were extremely impressed with their level of professionalism, preparedness and follow-through, positive attitudes, and overall, their clear vision on what they wanted to achieve in their life. And I must say, although the program is designed primarily to serve our students, our team members and organization as a whole learned a whole lot from the students that we were able to host. So in closing, I hope that each one of you was able to gain valuable insight and develop long-standing connections during your Summer Rise experience. And I wish you all the very best in anything you choose to pursue. Thank you.